Coming up, a look at MyAnalytics, formerly known as Delve Analytics, which gives you personalized insights on your time at work. I'll show you how you can prioritize your time by assessing time at work, and specifically in meetings, who you're spending your time with, your email habits and effectiveness, and we'll take a first look at how we are extending MyAnalytics to help you assess your impact within the teams that you work with. To get to MyAnalytics, navigate to Delve from the app launcher, and then click on the MyAnalytics link in the left navigation, or you can get there directly by using the link below. In the future, MyAnalytics will have its own tile in the app launcher for more direct access. So let's start by looking at the MyAnalytics dashboard. This is really an aggregation of the information that already exists within your email and calendar activities around how you spend your time and with whom. It's your personalized view of this information, and only you can see it. MyAnalytics surfaces where your time is spent across 4 different areas. Your time spent collaborating with others in meetings, your time spent communicating with others, the amount of time you get to do your job, and how far your day extends. We also have a network section, which provides details on your top collaborators and those that you're losing touch with. And these are the people that I've added to my important list. And if I want to add more, I can just do this here. Now let's take a look at how we can use this information so that you can spend your time wisely in the future. I can drill down into any of these areas, but I'm really most interested in my meeting hours. I'm well over my meeting hours goal of 15 hours last week. Here I can see that I was multitasking in a large number of the meetings that I attended, which immediately makes me question the overall value of my time spent in those meetings. Also worth noting is that nearly a quarter of my total week is booked before it even begins with recurring meetings. Now, meetings that are recurring, where I'm also multitasking, are a potential opportunity for me to save time. Looking at the detailed breakdown, I can see which meetings those are and reflect on how I can improve, such as the cross-cultural marketing meeting or the weekly content review. Now, we're also making it easier for you to find these potential time-saving opportunities in your data. If I scroll back up to the top of the dashboard, you'll see a new section called Food for Thought. In my case, MyAnalytics has noticed that I've spent a lot of time in meetings with Pradeep, and it's highlighting that from my review. Now, another area that I would like to show you is the integrated Outlook experience with our MyAnalytics add-in. This add-in is automatically included in Outlook if your admin has enabled MyAnalytics. At a glance, I can see the nature of my relationship with another individual, in my case, Noelle. Things like how responsive I am and how much email I have to catch up on. I can also get an update on how impactful my email communications have been, with read rate information on the emails I've sent. This solution can come in really useful when I've sent a mail that is really important people read, or when I send a mail with broad exposure and I want to understand how successful it's been. These capabilities exist today in MyAnalytics. We also know that around 50 to 60% of your time is spent working with groups of people, and we have a number of new capabilities coming soon to help you understand and improve the effectiveness of your group collaborations. Here's an early look at what the team is working on. In this case, I'm logged in as Iris. MyAnalytics will automatically provide a visual overview of the groups that you're working with, or you can create a new group. If I drill into the Growth PM team, I can see exactly how much time I'm spending with the group and each individual, and I can learn more about my behaviors with the group based on data calculated from my mailbox. If I set a target time to spend with the team, then MyAnalytics will help me to reach that goal in Outlook. For instance, here I can see that it's recommending that I catch up with Kat from the Growth PM group. And if I agree to take action, MyAnalytics will provide a suggestion on how is the best way to catch up. It will even find a good time and pre-populate the meeting details. And it will also learn over time who the most valuable people are for you in the group to get more accurate with its suggestions. As you can see, personal analytics is an area that we are continuously advancing, and you can give us your feedback directly within the product. MyAnalytics is a part of Office 365 E5 and is turned on by default. So if you are in IT, as you assign E5 to your users, it will automatically be turned on. You can learn more at the link below. And if you're an admin, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial. Bye for now.